Today is a special day. We are going to bake a delicious treat. Add the ingredients. Flour, sugar, egg, butter, milk. Mix all the ingredients with the spoon. Choose a baking pan. Put in the cake batter. Now it's time to bake. Now you can decorate your cake. Blue icing. Add your favorite toppings. Sparklers, sparkler chocolate cookies. Umbrella, sparklers, vanilla cookies. Cowie, Elliot, Lisa. Add your favorite toppings. Ricky, Bobby, Billy, Lisa, Billy. Chocolate cookie, white chocolate, chocolate, candies, banana, strawberry. Add your favorite toppings. Chocolate sprinkles,